Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best travel first aid kit of this year. If you want to buy these amazing speakers, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1: Waterproof Outdoor Travel First Aid Kit. Waterproof Outdoor Travel Car First Aid Kit is a comprehensive and versatile medical solution designed to cater to various emergency situations during outdoor activities, travel, and car journeys. This kit is specifically crafted to be rugged, waterproof, and portable, making it an ideal companion for adventures such as camping, hiking, road trips, and other outdoor pursuits. This first aid kit is designed to address a range of minor injuries, accidents, and medical needs that might arise when you are away from home. It is equipped with a selection of medical supplies and tools that can be crucial in providing immediate care and assistance during unexpected incidents. The waterproof feature ensures that the contents remain safe and undamaged, even in wet or humid conditions. The HE kit is thoughtfully organized to accommodate essential medical items, including adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, sterile gauze pads, adhesive tape, tweezers, scissors, and more. While the kit may come with some basic medical supplies, it is Product 2: Shiju 18W Portable Wireless Bluetooth Speaker First Aid Kits. Emergency Rescue Backpacks are specially designed backpacks that come equipped with a variety of medical supplies and tools for emergency situations. These backpacks are essential for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and other adventure sports, where access to immediate medical assistance may be limited. The backpacks have a large storage capacity and were organized in a sorted manner to ensure quick and easy access to the necessary items during emergencies. They are also suitable for survival situations as they contain medical kits that can provide initial treatment until professional help arrives. These backpacks are a crucial addition to any outdoor enthusiast's gear, providing peace of mind and preparedness for unexpected medical situations. Product 3: Product Name Portable Outdoor Waterproof EVA First Aid Kit. Portable Outdoor Waterproof EVA First Aid Kit is a comprehensive medical kit designed for families or individuals going on camping trips or other outdoor activities. This kit contains 101 pieces of essential medical supplies enclosed in a waterproof EVA case. The kit comes in 6 different colors, making it easily distinguishable and suitable for personal preferences. It is specifically curated to cater to emergency medical treatment needs while on the go, ensuring safety and convenience during outdoor. Product 4: Product Name Tactical Backpack 30L First Aid Bag. The Tactical Backpack 30L First Aid Bag is a versatile and functional backpack designed to cater to both outdoor enthusiasts and military personnel. With a spacious 30-liter capacity, it serves as an excellent option for carrying essential items during travels or outdoor adventures. The inclusion of a first aid bag makes it a suitable choice for trauma responders or medical professionals who require immediate access to medical supplies in emergency situations. Its design and features, such as multiple compartments, durable construction, and military-inspired style, make it a reliable and practical choice for those seeking a multi-purpose backpack that can cater to various needs. Whether used for travel, outdoor activities, or medical emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.